Hello, good morning to all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to activate zee5 on your TV. So I have logged in zee5 app on my mobile with the subscription, and I'll show you how to activate it on TV. Open zee5 application on your mobile, and here it will ask the login, or just press the back and see here at the top. Click on sign in. See here, click on sign, and you'll see the screen, and you need to enter this code on the mobile. I'll show you. Just you need to enter this the same code on the mobile. I'll show you. Open zee5 on your mobile. Mm, zee5 here, zee5, and here I told you, no, we need to enter that code here. So once you enter that code, you get directly logged in. I'll show you. Once you enter the code, you need to click on activate. Device added successfully. So I'll show you. I'll open the camera, and when I click on activate, it said the TV on zee5 is activated. You can just press on OK, the middle button, and now you can watch Z on your TV, and it is subscribed. This account is subscribed, and your account is logged in. See here, logged in. So this is how simple you can log in or use or activate zee5 on your smart TV. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.